that video kind of represented the mindset that we have, and so it was something that she did a good job explaining herself and her kind of feelings about going through a experience like that. And I was like, that's exactly the way we operate, pretty much. We're pretty straightforward people, and she was very honest about how the entire process went and the creative portion of it, which both Eric and I are not creative at all. So that's very important to us because it's nice to have creative things around you, even if you're not a creative person. So that was really important for us to kind of see that piece explained, and it really helped us to know what we were getting into from the experience perspective, because in any situation where you're really relying on somebody else to, you know, create something out of their brain that is really cool and pleasing to you, you really have to trust that person and understand where they're coming from. And to me, that was evident in the first 5 minutes of the first meeting. I mean, it was, we kind of were primed with the videos and understanding a little bit about how you worked, and you even explained it on some of the videos is, this is how I work. You know, you were very clear about, you know, your mindset and how you approach projects and all that kind of stuff. And so,
and the clay model, that was fun. You're like right off the bat, you're like, okay, and then I'll do a clay model, and it's like, oh, okay. And then what, 3 days later he came?
Yeah, came back with the clay model. It's like, wow, I don't think I could ever have done something like that. And so it just, knowing kind of ahead of time, and that's why we're kind of doing these videos, is to help other people understand the process and how it happens, and, you know, kind of reiterate that it is really real. Everything that is explained on your website and the stuff on your videos, it's exactly the experience. It's an amazing experience.